Hey, let me talk to you like someone who's actually lived with the MagniFi Max AX SR every day, because once you feel what it does for your movies, shows, and games, everything weaker starts to feel like something you once put up with instead of something you want. This isn't for someone who shrugs at thin sound, dialogue that floats, or effects that feel like background noise. This is for the person who notices when audio has depth, presence, and dimension, when sound doesn't just play, it surrounds you. Before anything else, take a moment and check the current price and availability. Systems this capable with real surround and Atmos don't always stay easy to get when people start comparing performance. You know that moment, you start a movie and everything sounds flat, the bass barely moves air, and you catch yourself turning up the TV volume hoping something will finally feel right? That's when you realize you've outgrown compromise. You're tired of settling for just okay audio when the visuals look so good. You want impact and presence every time you sit down. Then you fire this up, and the difference hits you instantly. This isn't just louder, it's dimensional. Dolby Atmos and DTS:X put sound around you instead of just in front, so footsteps feel like they move across the room and explosions don't just happen, they arrive. The wireless subwoofer actually shakes the room instead of just adding thump, and the SR2 surround speakers give real depth that TV speakers can't touch. Once you feel that level of performance, everything weaker starts to feel flat and lifeless by comparison. Picture this, you're watching an action flick and the chase scene doesn't just look fast, it sounds fast, with engines roaring around you and impacts that make you lean forward. Later, it's game night and footsteps don't just signal direction, you feel presence in every corner of the room. Even everyday shows suddenly feel more engaging because vocals stay clear and the whole soundstage feels intentional instead of cramped. That's not just specs, that's emotion and immersion you feel every time you press play. And once you've lived with that kind of audio responsiveness and space, anything less starts to feel like a compromise you shouldn't go back to. Every time you think about weaker gear again, your mind drifts back to how live everything felt. That's loss aversion. You don't want to give that up now that you've experienced it. While that impression is fresh, check stock again. Sound systems with real surround, a dedicated subwoofer, and immersive formats don't always stay in stock when people start hearing the difference. If you're hesitating because it sounds like a big setup, let me reshape the thought. This isn't about extra parts, it's about full-bodied sound. It's about audio that matches your screen's visuals instead of fighting them. It's about feeling like you're in the room with the action, not just watching it. Here's something most people don't expect until they live with it. Once you've felt real surround and bass that carries without distortion, even everyday dialogue feels clearer and more confident. You stop adjusting and just enjoy. You feel real surround presence around you. You enjoy deep impact without strain. You get clarity that keeps scenes together. You own a system that matches refined taste. You experience sound that anchors every scene. Downsides? It's not the tiniest setup you can get, and it isn't the lowest cost entry option. Those are the trade-offs for sound that genuinely respects your content rather than just amplifying it. At some point, the endless comparison loop just stops. You already feel which experience satisfies you most. You choose what feels right, not what's uncertain. So don't let this upgrade sit in your mind and turn into "wish I'd done that sooner." Decide with confidence, check current availability now, and bring home the immersive sound experience your instincts have been urging you to get.